How na day? This is your girl, your shorty. My name is Idi Joma. I mean, that girl they talk about book for PG, for the Bible's NG. And today book, when I see him, hey, as they switch for body, they call the book Dear Alere. And the best way write am na Erie Ona Gorua. So when I say as I take time, pronounce her name. Erie Ona Gorua. Na author and na financial consultant. You know those people where they sabi handle money for office. And that kind of work she dey do. She sabi travel. Hey, but she don't marry. And she did Lagos. And this are Dear Alere, na her Facebook. Now, this area don't come our show. One show like that, what they do with one person they call Benjamin Oko for Classic FM Book on Review. And the way we the book they sweet us, I say no, I must do one for Pigeon Review. Because I know go just talk down for radio finish. For those of you who miss the review, you can just look on a side eye. But you are in luck as they use talking for English. I say make I bring out to Pigeon Review, make I talk about the book. Because the book sweets me like that. You know? When I first get this book, I not gonna lie you. Now another publisher why they respect, they call them paperwork books. I don't know how they use find the people they write book for them, but their stories they so relatable. It go be like story where they happen to you and me. It don't go be like something when the person just talk story. If the person told the story finish, you go say, this thing don't happen to my friend before. This one don't happen to my mama before. It don't happen to my colleague before. You know, be like something where they just carry, put inside book. Now, it make I like their story and why I like the story. Now, Alere na the main character. Alere Benson, na the her name, na the main character for this book. You don't marry, but you get one thing where they look for, she and the husband, where they never feel find. Even after how many times where they don't marry for this marriage. And Naim can be not necessarily the focus of this book, but they talk a bit about that. When you read the book, you can understand that way me and the husband they find. They can't bring one or other character where they call Laja, maybe her husband. Very correct guy. I don't want to talk too much because when I read the book, now I understand why I they sweet my body just sweet me like this. Then the third person where I won't concentrate more because this book can be as if when person they talk about metro section for newspaper. Metro section are those kind of place for newspaper where they talk about what's happened. Now that thing they hear story about how one man rape one Pekin, how robber where thief na Yahoo na maybe na usher him before church. All those kind of story na metro section for newspaper now you can find them. So just imagine say person can take one of those stories, but the only difference be say some of this story where she puts here now real life. It happened to people where she know, it happened to people where her husband know, as in the author will be area. So now it make the book even sweet. And it really tackles some of the issues where would they get for Nigeria. It talk about how would they complain. Government is corrupt, but you police go stop you tomorrow. You know say you know get driver's license. Fiam, you go bring out money, give police. Then tomorrow now you go see open mouths. They talk say police collect money from me. Why now you give them the money? Because true you know say what you do. You not supposed to which is you supposed to get that your license. But for some reason you not get them. I know they blame you. You won't claim say they busy now make never do them. But you that money where you give police. Why you open mouth tomorrow when you gist people, you know go talk about what you do. You go not do as if police just stop you, collect that money. You know, you can't talk about one thing where they happen even up to now for 2020. How man go marry wife? The wife go born, let's say 5 children, out of the 5 now 4. I be the 5 self guess. It go be say now the woman they cause why they born girl. If you they watch this video, make I tell you in case you don't know. You will be man where they watch this video. Sure you know say now you they make whether woman go born girl or boy. Oh, you don't know. Now you don't know. So if you did they run your mouth, they disturb your wife up and down, they say now my wife they born girl up and down. Now you cause some, make I just tell you. If you did do make you stop her. He talk about so many things where sweet me, where make me say, I must do this book for Pigeon Review. And it comes to make I ask for some questions. Okay, I talk 4 questions or more. You be a citizen of this country. 2023. Abi? Another time for election will come. You will carry your voter's card. You will not say this person you won't vote. No go do the work. You go vote out. You be citizen of this country. You know say okay, your particulars not complete, but you go see last man, you go see police for road. Yeah, before they even ask you what you go do, collect money, you don't give them. Number 2. Number 3, you be citizen of this country. You won't do waiting, you won't do your papers. They go say make you come for waiting, driving lesson. You no go come because if you say big girl, why I go carry myself to go FRC office? You can't go meet person for quorum, pay the person extra money. They go just do the thing, can't give you for office. And they look you. Then the last one where they more important pass everything why they talk. You be citizen of this country. You they look me for pigeon review. And they talk about their lyric. You never ask me how you fit get this book. Where you fit get this book? Nah, wow, my people. Nah, show. Nah, ash. Don't be by just to look by face when they talk about this book. Or to go comment section to see the bookstores where I feel buy this book. But also, not to ask me, you will read this book. Apart from say you don't want to tell us everything so that we buy this book. How much is this book? Where we get them? What will be the social media handle of the author? It is here as when they looking for the video. Mokuna follow her. Mokuna buy her book. Moku they support our people. Make it not just be as if every time people go just suffer. Because to write book no easy. To go suffer write book finish. To go come the beg when Mokuna come buy book. That's why I say make I do the pigeon reviews. What can I give? I give a small gist. So now I go see how the book sweet. So now I go wait and rush go buy the book. But when I come on away next week, I beg. I go put poster on I feel buy all these books why they talk about. Especially this their lyric. I be wanna buy the book. Mokuna follow every year on I go run for social media. She did Facebook, she did Twitter, she did Instagram with her name as when I see I'm here. Till I come on away again. When I know where to find us now for the Bagos NG, I don't want to talk too much. When I do well.